Hi guys, it's Lucky of Discover Manila and we are back in the kitchen and today we are making homemade coffee ice cream. Sharing this super quick and easy recipe made with just 4 ingredients. We are obsessed with how satisfyingly smooth and creamy this recipe is. Super perfect for coffee lovers. You'll be needing 500 ml chilled all-purpose cream, 300 ml chilled carnation condensada, 1/2 cup carnation evaporated milk, 2 tablespoons of instant coffee, and dark chocolate chunks or chocolate chips for toppings and added crunch. For the procedure, start by dissolving 2 tablespoons of instant coffee with 2 tablespoons of hot water. Set aside. In a large mixing bowl, whip chilled all-purpose cream to stiff peaks. Add carnation condensada, carnation evap, and coffee. Whisk until combined. Mix in chocolate chunks or chocolate chips. Next, pour mixture in preferred container and freeze for at least 6 hours or overnight. Your very own homemade coffee ice cream, and I'm so excited for you guys to try. Feel free to tag us on your Carnation #KitchenCreations and see you again soon.